Yeah, we just get chill out. Dilisel, asa na ka? Yung when With him, Chris, hello. Your mouth is beautiful. Thank you. I just oh my God, guys, I'm not gonna sing tonight, so I just get blah blah da here. Asa man yung bubbles, madam? I don't know, ate, kasi last time I have a bubbles, but this one is like together live. Tired, guys. You're not tired. Tilisel, walang bubbles, di ba, last night? Nay bubbles, tapos nawala yung bubbles. Iwan ko, ba't ganun? I've never used a filter or anything. I've never used a filter, guys. No bubbles or nothing. This is my original face without makeup. So, so you never mind my lips, my eyes, my nose, because this is me. It's me, Miss Alona, without no makeup. And guys, that's my original face for me. Why sub? Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay lang. Mm. Yan ang mukha ko, guys. Yan ang mukha ni Miss Alona. That's my Kasi last time, 'di ba, may bubbles. Last Hindi siya naka-filter, ate. Walang filter. No filter. My live tonight is it's normal face. That's my original face. Joss and Great is English or Spanish? I can talk to you English, but I'm originated Filipino, Filipini. Mm. Philippine language. But I can speak in English, but not perfect English, because that's my second language. Kuan sila ang niakyat kanang gagmay ra sila og kuan tao ba, 'di ba? Gagmay ra. Are you English, Joss? Are you English or Spanish? I can speak you a little bit Spanish. OMG, guys. Nag-live yata si Buhulanat eh. Nag-live yata si Buhulana, no? Yan, guys. Good evening for 7 million viewers. You know. Di may Hingabot nang ako ang kuan, hingabot nang ako ang gi-order na mic sa iPhone, 'di ba? Kasi meron akong iPhone, meron akong mic sa Samsung. Pero Samsung lang siya, dili pwede sa iPhone. Yan.